Hey, I wanted to show everyone who has an above ground pool, if they're tired of bees and wasps and mosquitoes and everything else getting in there, I made this do-it-yourself pool screen for an above ground pool, simply made with just PVC piping and some netting. Keeps all the bugs out, all the leaves out, makes swimming just a pleasant experience. And this is a Summerscapes pool, and I was able to make this do-it-yourself pool screen just out of PVC piping. If you would like more information on how to do it, you can just contact me. Summer Waves Pool, not Summerscape. Summer Waves Pool. You can just contact me. All of it costs less than $200 to make. Thank you. Just wanted to share with you guys my do-it-yourself above ground pool enclosure.